Hi and welcome to Technic4 Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Pabbly plugin in CloudFunnels. Let's begin. First, let me log into my CloudFunnels admin page. To use the Pabbly plugin, you need a minimum CloudFunnels version to be 4.5.1. To check the CloudFunnels version, click on the Settings under the Settings tab. In General Settings, you'll see the CloudFunnels version. Now, let's install the Pabbly plugin. Go to Plugins on the left sidebar section. Click on the Add New plugin. Then choose Install from the Marketplace. Now, here you can see there are tons of plugins that are available. You can find it from here or you can use the search bar. Type Pabbly. Here's the result. Click on it. And then after, click Login to install or download. Enter the details of your CloudFunnels membership. Once you're logged in, click on the Install button. After installing, you will be redirected to the plugin section. Check if the button under Pabbly is disabled. Toggle the button to enable the plugin, and it should say Plugin installed successfully. Then on the sidebar section, you will now see that Pabbly is showing here. Click on it and select All Setup. Here you can manage all the Pabbly webhook URLs. Click on the Create Pab. You will be redirected to the Pabbly invitation. Log in or create a new Pabbly if you don't have one. Click on the Accept this app. Create a workflow by clicking on the Create Workflow button. Give the name of the workflow and click on the Create button. First, you need to choose an app. Search your CloudFunnels and click on it. Select the trigger event, which is to get leads for the selected page. Now, copy the webhook URL and go to the CloudFunnels Pabbly setup. Click on this plus icon. Get the name of the webhook so you can identify them by the name if you create multiple webhooks. Paste the URL in the URL input and toggle this button to on and click on the Save Pabbly button. You can create multiple webhook URLs by clicking on this plus icon. When it's done, click on the funnel and sites under the funnel content. Select your funnel by clicking on the Edit Funnel button, or you can create a new one. Click on your page and click on this gear icon and enable this button to send leads to Pabbly. Now, click on the Save Settings. For testing, visit your page. Enter the details that you want to send to Pabbly. Then, click on your Submit button. Go to your Pabbly to check whether the leads are patching or not. Now, you can see all the leads are showing here. Next, choose your trigger. I am using Google Sheets. Search here and click on it. Select the action that you want to happen. I'm selecting Add New Row. Click on the Connect. And add a new connection. Give the name of the connection. Click on the Connect with Google Sheets. Give the permissions to it. Select your spreadsheet and your sheet in Google Sheets. Map all the columns with the lead. Click on the Save and Test Requests. Now it is working fine. Click on Save and save this workflow. Now let's enter the details on your page to check whether it is working properly or not. Check the details in the Google Sheet. Here you can see all the details are saved here. So, this is how you can use the Pabbly plugin in CloudFunnels. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.